Welcome to the Earth Eats Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're going to make some snack sticks. These are really neat and simple and fun, and you can use almost anything you like.
What are we going to use today?
Today we're going to use this. This is a wooden skewer. I bet you've never put anything on one of these before.
No, I've never seen one. Can I hold it?
You can. How about that one could be yours?
Oh, I can keep this one?
Yeah. Just be careful. It has a pointy end.
Yeah. Do we eat this?
Well, I wouldn't eat this. I would pull everything off.
Oh.
And it's kind of like a popsicle, but with fruit and cheese.
Yeah. Okay.
So today I'm going to use cantaloupe and grapes and pineapple and string cheese. And I've cut it up into little 1-inch pieces.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
So it's really simple. It's kind of like an assembly line.
Oh, wait, and what's an assembly line?
Oh, an assembly line. It's where you put on a little bit here and it goes down the line. You put on a little bit more. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to start with the cantaloupe, and then we're going to go to the cheese, and then to the grape, the pineapple.
Yeah.
And you can kind of put them on in a pattern.
Yeah. Let's make a pattern, Heather.
Definitely.
Okay.
I'm going to pull off some grapes and put them right here.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell me what you want to have first?
I want a grape. I'll put a grape on. Yeah. Can you put a grape on for me?
I will put a grape on for you. I'm going to stick it on there again. I didn't do a very good job.
That's okay, Heather.
Very good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what would you like next?
Let's see. Can I have the apple?
Oh, would you like some pineapple?
Pineapple, yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna stick some
that is pineapple. From here, it looked like an apple.
Oh, it's pineapple. It's so good. Perfect. What would you like next?
Let's see. Oh, the cantaloupe. Yeah.
Excellent. Good choice.
Yeah. And let's do another grape.
Oh, yes, to top it off.
Yeah.
Oh, but you know what? You know what we forgot?
What?
We forgot some cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Would you like a little bit of cheese on there?
Yeah. I like cheese.
Oh, I bet.
Did you know, some people make cheese from goats? Yeah,
I know.
That's
my favorite kind of cheese.
Yeah.
And you could use anything you like, but it needs to be firm. You could also use cheddar.
Okay.
And you could cut it up into squares.
Yeah.
I wouldn't use goat cheese. It won't stick on the skewer.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's all you do.
That's it?
That's it. And you know, I like to serve mine with a little bit of vanilla yogurt. You don't have to, but I love it. It's a great light snack in the afternoon.
Yeah. So, Heather, we all done?
We're all done.
Can I eat?
You can eat it.
Oh, that's so good, Heather.
I'm glad you like it.
You guys gotta make this. It is so good.